So the first thing you do is to create a project directory or a folder. You can do it anywhere. You can even create it on your desktop. So but in my case, I will create it somewhere in my local disk because of the server I want to use. I prefer to use a local server. This is it. XAMPP is the name. So I will open my local server. Just in case you don't know what XAMPP server is, I'm going to talk about it in my other videos that are going to come. So make sure you like and subscribe to this channel to learn more things, learn AI, tech, digital tools and all of that. I'm going to leave some of the links to the tools I used in this video so that you can download them. I've opened my local server, so I've started my Apache. I can start my SQL, but I'm not using anything related to database, just for the sake of the project we are doing. So now let's think of a project. We want to design let's say a company website, company that is into construction, general construction, all right, building of houses, road and all of that. So let me first of all create my project directory. So I will come to my local disk. So I will come to XAMPP. I will click htdoc dashboard. So this is where I will be creating my directory. So I will create new folder. Let's call this company XAMPP.cc.com. This is the company name. So the next thing I will do is to open my code editor. In my case, I'm using Sublime Text. You can use any code editor for this. But I like to use Sublime Text. So this is the interface of the Sublime Text. The next thing you do is, like me, I like to drag my project work into the Sublime Text because I don't like to minimize my editor. All right, so I will drag it and place it here. You can see XAMPP.cc.com is here, so I can navigate my files, my folder and all of that here without even minimizing. So this is one of the most important parts of this project. Most videos you watch, they don't show you all these things. They don't even tell you all these things. If you watch one of my previous videos, you will see where I talked about learning AI. AI is not a brain, it is a tool. All right, so even if you have to use AI to speed your work and all of that, you have to give instructions. If not, you will end up producing garbage. So now I want to give AI prompt that will help me to create a website. But this prompt, I may not be able to give it accordingly. So first of all, I will bring out my idea, then ask AI to give me prompts that will help me to create this kind of a website. So the first thing I will do is to open Notepad. You can write your instructions anywhere. All right, this is what I'm going to do. I will say you are a professional tool for creating professional and modern websites for companies. All right, now this thing I have done alone has triggered the AI. It could be ChatGPT. It has triggered the AI to know his duty, all right, his responsibility. So I have ended up hyping the AI, so it now know that the model is going to provide for me is the one to create a professional website. All right, let's move on. So now I will not say I want you to give me prompts to create a company website that specializes on. Okay, so now I will not think what does this company do. I can say number one, they specialize on modern architectural designs. That is number one. Number two, please don't mind my spelling, just in case I didn't spell anything correct. Architectural modern design, buildings, because they are into general construction. Number three, building designs. They also they do building designs. Number four, let's say they are also into renovations. All right, renovation of buildings, renovation of buildings. Okay, of building structures. Okay, structures. Okay. Okay, number five, let's say they are also into road construction. Number six, let's say they are also into bridges, bridge construction. All right, so I've told the AI that, okay, these are the things the company do. All right, so the company name is let's say the company name, we have chosen one, XAMPP CC, XAMPP Construction Company. And let's say the domain is xampppcc.com. So what again? Okay, the company's addresses are because they are going to have branches. Let's say headquarters, let's say Italy, and branches. So we can say one of the branches, Germany. Okay, Germany and Poland. Okay, these are the branches. All right, so full stop. So now I'm going to give more instruction, because this prompt, I just want everything to be done like very easy, so that in case I am editing anything, I will not edit much. All right, so I want to give clear, very, very clear instruction. All right, so now I will say let these addresses be generated as complete addresses in those locations. Yes, so that it can just generate complete address for me in Germany, complete address for me in Poland and Italy. You understand? So that I will not go and be editing anything again. So this location, okay, that is it. So now I can say the name of the company's CEO is in quotes de joro et daffy a coco. All right, so that's the name of the CEO. I can say add all necessary staffs positions, all right, and pictures. Okay, why I'm doing this is because in case of my team, let it just generate the positions of the staffs and their pictures, you understand, so that it will not just be only the CEO's pictures or information it will bring out. So it should just generate stars for me. All right, so another clear instruction: note, I need good real life images, comma, not AI generated, to show what the company actually do. All right, so now what I'm saying is I don't want a situation whereby in the website it will be filled with animated pictures, images, you understand, AI generated. No, I want real life images, you understand. So it will pick randomly real life images. It can even generate them for me, you understand, but not all these animated looking images. So I'm trying to control that. All right, so okay, all generated, okay, sorry, also okay, yeah, okay, also generate real life images for all pages. Okay, this is what I want. So that any page at all, let any image that will appear in that page be real life. That is what I'm trying to control. So okay, now my menu. So I want to list the menus that should be in the website. All right, because this thing needs planning. You can't just say, hey, I build website for me, it will just build for you. No, it can build for you, but do you know what you actually want? If yes, state it down. It will not give you. That is how to use AI. So now the menu, one of them should be about, not, and that one services. All right, services, portfolio. Okay, so I have to like know the menus I want, because I cannot build a company website like a stockbroker or like an hospital. You understand? Every website has what it requires. That is why there is something called users requirement. There are things required. For example, now I cannot put plans or prices in a website like this, but plan or prices can be good for a stockbroker, because people will like to know different plans, they want to invest and all of that. So all those ones does not actually they are not needed in what we are doing. So the next one is I think there should be a page for team, and okay, yes, gallery, right? So now these things, I think they are good for company, because people should be able to know about the company. They should be able to know the services they render. their portfolio, their team, gallery to show the work they have done, projects. You understand? Project, okay, let me put it, project gallery, yes, to know what they have done so far. All right, so that is that. So the next one is, I can say, because I want my home page to be nice, because that is, home page is one of the pages that actually attracts users. You understand? If your home page is not well designed, it may look somehow. So you just need something very good. In fact, almost all the things in the website, everything should be like pointed out from the home page. All right, it's not a guesswork. Me looking at home page, one should be able to like know exactly how the site work and everything, just looking at the home page. You understand? So this is deep anyway, let me not digress too much. So I can say, let the home page design have, because these are some of the things I want to make sure they appear in the home page. Have carousel, auto slider. Yes, just in case you don't know what carousel means, carousel is that thing, that slider that slides in a website. When you visit a website, that slider is called a carousel. If you follow me, if you follow my pages, if you watch my videos, you are going to learn a lot. I don't hype, I show you how it is. So let's proceed. So what was I trying to do? After the menu bar, yes, after the menu bar, let there be a carousel before that things. The next thing is menu bar. Okay, I can say orders or other components. Other components that will come are, other components are, let's say, testimonial theme. Yes, there should be a component to show the testimonial, what people say. There should be another component to show theme. There should be another component, numbers of contracts, numbers of contracts done so far with counter. Then that is what I want. So then another component is gallery and link to gallery, yes. So these things I want to make sure they be on the page too. All right, so I cannot say other pages should be professionally designed. All right, it's instruction. So aside the home page, let other pages be professionally designed. So that is that. Then remember I want real life images. Yes, very clear instruction. Why I'm doing this again is that so that it will be conscious that all the images should be real life images. So I think with this you have planned the kind of prompt that will give you what you actually want. All right, So now the next thing is, let's go to the real thing. We open our browser. We want to start generating our prompt. So let's start generating our prompts. Okay, let's generate our prompts. So I will open ChatGPT, of course, because that is what so many people are familiar with. So I'll open ChatGPT. So now all the instructions I have written here, I will give it to ChatGPT. I've copied it. Remember, I said you are a professional tool for creating professional website. So now the instruction is, I want you to give me prompts to create. You understand? So what ChatGPT is going to give me are the prompts to create the company website I want. So I will paste it and enter. You will see, as you can see, it will start generating. All right, so it will start generating. Let's wait for it till it finishes. It will not waste time. That's why it is AI. You can see it moving. All right, so I can even be eating. The goal is to save time and energy. All right, so I can be doing other things. I just woke up, so I need to eat. After all, life is easy now. All right, okay, so it is done. The prompts have been generated. You can see from here. So you see, perfect. Here are clear professional copy paste ready prompts you can use in any AI website builder. You understand? So you can use ChatGPT, you can use other AI website builders. You understand? So these are the prompts. Now these are the prompts. This is the one from home page. It starts here. These are the prompts for. This is the prompt for team. This is the prompt for services. This is the prompt for portfolio and all of that. So now what I will do is, this is where techniques needs to come in. All right, you need to have techniques in doing things. So I will copy everything here. I started from here down to this place. So I will, let me open another notepad because I want to be able to come down. So I will come down. So now after that, I will now copy the home page prompt because I want the home page to be designed first. Let me see how the home page will look like. All right, so it ends here. So this is what I copied from here. This is home page design prompt. So I copied it to this place. So this is the prompt for the team page prompt. So now that I have copied, I have to paste it under here. All right, so it has given structure on how the page should look like. So I will copy everything at the end. I will copy everything, then come to my website builder, the AI website builder. You can use ChatGPT, but I want to use a different one entirely. So this is how it looks like, right? This place is a very, very powerful AI center. If you pay for ChatGPT, it will give you higher models to use in getting anything you want. All right, but I am using ChatGPT 5 upwards for free. It doesn't break down. This place, they have different AI models. So now let me show you. I will click on this place, battle. I will click on charts. All right, now these are the AI tools you can use, these models. It lists all the AI tools. You can see them, the latest ones. It ranks them according to how powerful they are. You understand? So the most powerful AI tool at this moment, at the time I'm recording this video, is not even ChatGPT 5 you pay for. You can see where ChatGPT 5 is. Now the highest AI module is Cloud Opus. Cloud Opus. This is the highest. It is stronger. It has power over ChatGPT 5. You understand? So you can use it for free. If the module has even tired, you can even switch to another one. Just in few seconds or minutes, if you go back to it, it will continue working again. So I use all these tools for free. You can get, like, you can use AI modules for free. Deep one for deep research for free. So if you want all these things, all you just need to do is to tell me in the comment section that I need it. If you tell me I need it, I will send it to you. I will send all the links, all the tools I have used, the links to the tools. I will send them to you. You understand? So just make sure you comment. Just tell me I need it. I will send it to you. So you will now be using AIs for free instead of paying. Yeah, there is no limit. All right. So I will select my Cloud Opus. I will select my Cloud Opus. You can see ask anything. So now I'm going to switch to code. It will say describe the website or app you want to build. So now I will now copy the prompt. Mind you, this is the prompt. I have copied it. So now this is what I'm going to paste here. I'll paste it here, then click enter. You can see it will start doing its work. So now let's wait for it. We are not touching anything code, we are not building anything. The AI is building it for us. So let's just wait. Oh. So when it is done, it will even give us a preview of what it has built. All right, so let's wait for it. This depends on the speed of your computer. If your computer is very fast, it will not take much time. It will just do everything for you once. So let's just endure and wait for it. Wow. So guys, look at the preview. Look at the beautiful website it has generated for us. You can see by yourself. Very easy. So what are we going to do now? This is where implementation comes in. So I have to click on my code. You can see all the codes that were used. I will copy all, or I can click here to copy. So I'll copy it. I will come to my Sublime. So the first thing I will do is I think okay, I'll open my project folder. Let me minimize. I will drag this file inside my project folder. This file has its own function. So I will open my Sublime, my code editor. So you can see this file is inside it. So let me copy the code again. I've copied the code. So I will create a file called index.php. I will hit submit. All right, so I have pasted it. So you can see the tons of code the AI has generated for us in minutes. How many? This is about 959. It's now 957 lines of code. All right, so I've saved it. So the next thing I do is to preview. So how do I preview? I will come to my browser and type localhost / dashboard / the website name is ecodavcc.com. so I have to click enter. You can see our website is here. You can see how beautiful it is. In minutes, everything is here. You can see how beautiful it is. It has generated. So now the next thing we have to do is to give prompt that will create the about page, service page, projects, contacts, and all of that. So let's proceed. Copy the next prompt. Okay, so the next prompt is theme. So I will copy it, you paste it in the chat session, then you submit. It will start generating the page for us. This page, theme page, to generate it for us. So let's wait for it. So when it has generated, it will also give us a preview here. So the theme page has been generated. So when I click code, it will give me the theme. So if I click this, you can see the code has been generated. So I'll just copy and I will come to the code editor. I will create another file. I will save it as theme.php. So I will paste. So when I come to, let me preview, let me duplicate it, so and say theme. You can see the theme page has been created. You can see this is the CEO, Edejora Ekoko. So these are the team members and all of that. You can see how easy this is. All right, so now let's create other pages. So the next page is, after theme, the next page is services. So I will copy this prompt. I will come to the tool. I will paste it in the text area. All right, so I'll paste it there and just enter. So it will start creating the services page for me. You can see how easy this is, man. So while this is generating, let's be talking. All right, you see, the truth is, some of the things I'm going to do after these pages have been generated, most of the videos you watch, they don't even walk you through all those things. You understand? So it doesn't end by saying AI has generated code for you. There are implementations. All right, so if you don't have basic knowledge about these things, you cannot actually build a website that will come to life. So that's why you are here. You have to follow me. I'm going to teach you everything. You are going to learn a lot when you subscribe to my channel. You are going to learn a lot. I don't hype in my channel. I give results. All right, so just follow me. So it has been generated. The services page has been generated. So I will click and copy the code. So I'll copy it. I will do the same thing. I will come to my project directory and create a new file. So I will name it services.php. You have to understand this. So you can see. So I will save. I will come to the page services. Enter. You can see this is the services page. So now we have successfully created our website using AI in minutes, not hours. So the only thing that will make you to spend a lot of time is probably when your network is not stable, when your system is slow and all of that. So all those factors now boils down to the circumstances surrounding how you are creating the website. All right, you can see that we have created our website without even doing much. You understand? It was the AI that did everything for us. So now let us proceed further to how to bring all these things together, because it's not all about generating the code. You have to put them together. All the pages are ready. So let's go into it. So now that we are done with our AI, the next thing is bringing the website together. So now this is where your skill of building website needs to come in. All right, so but just in case you are a total beginner, just follow everything I've done and you will end up having the same result. So just follow me. So the next thing we do is we have to link all the pages together. We have to link them together, because as you can see, if I click about, it's not taking me to anywhere. It's taking me to blank page. It's not even taking me to any page that exists. So I have to link them up. So to do this header, it means if you look at this code now, this is the index page, this is the theme page, this is the service page, and the other ones. So if you make changes here, any change you make here, you have to come here and make fresh change. So, and as you can see, the header remains the same. We want our headers to remain the same. If I go to the theme page, you can see the header, the menu rather. Let me use the word menu. The menu is the same, everything is the same. So but we don't want a situation whereby we will at the end be making changes to all the pages one by one. So we can actually create a file that will hold everything about this header, so that we call the file once. When we call the file once, it will display the header for us. So it's like a component we are creating. The same thing for the footer. So everything we are creating has to be the same. All the footers in the pages, you can see all the footers in the pages, they have to be the same. All right, they have to be the same. So let's make our adjustment. So what we'll do now is let's create the component called header. So I'm going to name this as header.php. all right, I will come to where the navigation menu ends, the navigation bar, which is the menu. I think is here. Yes, this is the menu. So I will cut it off and paste it in the header, then save this file. So if I save this index page, this home page, now you know I have cut off the header, right? So if I come here and refresh, you can see that the header is out and the page is has been disorganized. So what I will do here is to call this header now inside the home page. I will create what is called include function. So now I will say PHP. You can type it, but I'm using shortcuts for us to be fast. So you will type this line of code in your code editor the way it is. In the middle you will say include, you now put your brackets, include, then you put your quotation, then the file location is inside the root directory, which is the header. This is it. So I will say include header.php, then I will put a semicolon here and save. So if I come to the home page and refresh, you can see the header is back. So this is an automatic way of getting this done. So we will do the same thing for the footer. This is the, just in case you don't know what footer is, this, from this section down, this is the footer. The down part of a website is called the footer. So I have to trace where the footer starts and end. I think it starts here. So I have to copy and create a file called footer.php. This is another component. All right, so I'll paste and save. So if I come here, let me remove the part I've cut. So the footer section is no more. If I save now and refresh my page, you will see that the footer is no more. The page has been altered. So what I will then do is I will come and include. So no need to type again. Let me just copy this and paste here. Paste, then change this one to footer.php. When I save and I refresh, you can see the footer is back. All right, now that we are done with the header and footer, we have to make this inclusion to the other pages. All right, the header and the footer component. All right, so this is the footer section. This is the footer section of the home page. Okay, I have not removed it, so I will remove it. And let me add the footer section. So what I usually do is I usually leave my JavaScript and do away with the normal HTML codes. So I'll remove it. So this is the JavaScript. All right, so what I will do is I usually paste the footer section under. I usually paste it under. Let me copy again. I'll paste it and rename it footer.php. Then I will save. So that is it for the home page. So let me refresh. Okay, everything is still fine. So let's proceed. Let's do same configuration for the other pages. So let's start with the theme page. So we will remove everything leaving any style you see inside the page. So I will remove from the navigation down to the style. You can see I removed everything. I left the style. Alright, so I paste the header so that in case if this style is doing anything for this page, it will still remain. So let me refresh. Let me go to theme and okay, theme. Okay, this is theme. So let me refresh. You can see everything remains the same. All right, so let's proceed. So let's do the same for the footer. So like as I told you, I'll remove the closing tag of the HTML. I will leave the style. I will remove from footer where the closing section, the closing tag of the footer, this section to okay, this is where the footer starts. I will remove it. Then I will come to the bottom and paste the footer component, they include. You can see what I'm doing now. So just follow up. If you follow this same structure, everything will work fine. So let's refresh. Okay, everything is working normal. So as we proceed, you will see the importance of doing all these things. So let me speed up this process to enable us to be fast. So I'm done including my header and footer for all the pages. You can see. So I want to do a recap of what I've done. I copied the from the navigation, because all the menu bar, all the menu, everything, the menu bars needs to be the same. The menu bar for all the pages, this is the menu bar, it has to be the same for all the pages. So with this header page, I was able to include the menu bar to all the pages once. I included it once, not trying to be making changes for each of the files. All right, so let me show you an example. This is the home page, right? This place is having ECODAF. So if I come to the header, this is the ECODAF. Sorry, this is the ECODAF. So if I say me, if I rename it to me and I refresh, you can see that it has changed to me. If I come to the theme page, if I refresh, it has changed to me. If I come to the services page, refresh, you can see it has taken effect. So that this is the importance of doing this. All right, so let me explain why I usually leave the style inside each page. Let's use the gallery section as an example. You can see everything is working fine, right? Everything is working fine. If I come here, you see the view. If I click, everything is working fine. So now let's include the style. Let's include the the header and the footer. So if I cut that from the navigation menu, if I cut that from the navigation menu and let me start again. So let me cut and paste the header section, as in the header component. So and I cut out the footer component. You see, if I save and refresh, you see that the page has been altered. All the images are not even looking the same any longer. So if I even click on this, the image will not pop up. Why? Because of the style. The style and the script for the page has been removed. So what do? So I have to make sure I leave all the styles and the script meant for each page. So I have copied the footer and the header of the gallery somewhere. So this is the footer. So what I will do is I will copy the style, copy the script rather for the footer. So this is the script, this is where it ends. So I'll copy it, come here. I usually paste it before the footer component so that it will be at the top. So this is the style for this page. So I will also copy, because there is a model here. This model, this component, this one brings out the full view of the image when you click it. So I think it's before the script. Yes, it's before the script. So that's it. So the next thing I will do is to copy the header section too. So I'll copy the style. This is where I start and end here. So I'll copy the style and I'll paste it after the header component. This is the header. So if I save and refresh, you can see that everything is back to normal. So if I click view full size, you can see everything is working normal. So I just wanted to explain this thing for you. That's why I have to do all this. So I believe you now understand me. So let me delete this. So that is it. So we are done. So the next thing is to try and make changes to some of the things to link the page up, right? Let's link them together. So let me undo this one, so because the title needs to be echoed off. So now this is our image section, which is this image. This is our logo, right? This thing here is supposed to be an image. So presently I don't have any logo for it, so I can come to ChatGPT and say, give me a company let's say a company logo for the prompts you have given, right? So if I type this, it will generate a logo for me. So let me click enter. So let's wait for it. So guys, look at the beautiful logo ChatGPT has generated for me. So I have to download it. So let's wait for it. It has downloaded. So I will open it and drag it to my project folder. This is it. I will put it inside the folder. So I have to rename it. Let's say logo, right? So and the extension is PNG. So this is it, logo.png. so I will remove all this block. I will remove this block because I just need an image to appear there. So I will write this image tag. You can see img. You can see you write it like this, then you will reference your image, that is your logo. So the logo is in the root directory, so I just need to say logo.png. So I will save. So let's see, if I refresh, you can see there is a logo here, right? The space is too much. We have to crop and then resize the image so that it will be smaller. All right, so we'll come to the image. Let's open and crop it. You can find a way to crop the image, your logo. So it may not give you same results, all right? So but I'm only doing this because of what I've been given. In your case, you might be given a template that doesn't require you doing all this. So I have to edit and crop now. So I've cropped my image. So the next thing is for me to resize the width. So I just need to come inside the image and I will write, can say width. Please, if you have no knowledge about HTML, please just follow the step as I'm doing it. Just follow me, all right? So just follow me if you don't have knowledge about HTML. But I'm going to so long you are in this channel, I'm going to make you understand all these things. Let's say 200. Let's make the width 200. Let's see how it will look like. Okay, so it's still too big, so let's reduce it to like let's say 90. All right, so I think this is okay, right? This is very okay. This is very okay. Yeah, this is very okay. Our image is looking fine now, very okay. So I've done that. So the next thing is I will go to the footer. I will do the same thing. Let me just copy the image. Let me copy the tag. So I will come to this place. This is where the logo is. I will paste it and save. So this place, this is where I want to alter now. So if I refresh, you can see the image is, the logo has replaced. So you can see. All right, so the next thing is to link the pages. If I click about services, it's not leaving this place, it's not leaving the page. So how do I link? So I just need to come to my header and this home page. If someone clicks the home page, it will take the person to the home page. So I can either say index, right? But I will just put dots. If you put dots, it means home page. So I will remove the hash. I will remove the hash sign from the reference, right? Quotes, do we have? Okay, there's a page called quote. Okay, let's see. So I have saved. So let me refresh now. If I click home, you can see it is loading to the home page, right? If I click about, it will take me to about page. So if I click contact, you can see because of the hatch, it now directs me to the footer section, where if I click contact, it will direct me to this place. So that's it. So if I click quote, it will direct the user to where to call for quote, or either request via email, request a quote via email. So that's it. You have successfully linked the pages. So if I click theme, all right, project, is this supposed to be project? This is supposed to be portfolio. So we have to rename it from project to portfolio. Save and refresh. So if I click portfolio, it will take me to the portfolio page. So there is one more menu we need to add. I think that is gallery, right? Gallery. So let's copy this, paste, change this to gallery, so that when a user clicks this place, it will take the user to the gallery page. So I refresh. Okay, if I click gallery, yeah, so everything is working fine. You can see how super easy this is. All right, so everything has been made ready for us. So if you want other pages like the privacy policy, terms and conditions, and all of that, you can still ask the AI to give you those pages, and you just need to do the necessary configuration. You can see everything, both the email, the phone number, everything has been configured in such a way that I don't even need to do much work again. Now what I want us to do is to let's cross check if the AI actually gave us what we requested. So we said let it give us a professional company website. Of course, it gave us the professional company websites for construction, right? So the next thing is we ask it that, okay, let's it contain architectural design, building designs, renovation, and all of that. So as you can see, if I click services, you can see construction, commercial construction, road, bridges, renovation, residential project, industrial facilities. Everything listed here correspond with what we actually requested for. So the company name should be XAMPP CC. You can see that when it generated the whole thing for us, everything, the name of the company, everything written XAMPP. You can see this place now, the about, everything is having this name we gave to it, right? So the domain has to be XAMPP, of which it did. So the addresses, we said the headquarters should be Italy, then other branches Germany and Poland. So let's go down and see our addresses. You can see this is the headquarters, Italy is the headquarters. You can see Germany, you can see Poland. So the instruction I gave to it, it actually followed it. So now the CEO, this is the name of the CEO. So let's cross check. If I go to okay, team, right? If I go to team, you can see this is the CEO, the name is here. You can see CEO, the name is here. So if I have to make any change, it has to be minor, just minor change. All right, so Now I said all the pictures should be real life, let it not be AI generated or animation. So of course all the images you see here, they are real life images. If I go to gallery now, you can see real life images, buildings and all of that. So if I come to, okay, so now I'm coming to the menu now. So the menu, about service, portfolio, team, project. So now let's come to the menu. This is the menu: about, services, gallery, portfolio, team, everything that I listed, it gave it to me. So, and I also said let the home page contain carousel, slider, auto slider. You can see this is it. The thing is sliding automatically. You see, it's sliding automatically, the carousel, after the menu bar. You can see this was the instruction I gave to it. Everything is working fine. You can see other pages should be professionally designed. So you can see, right? So this is it. Now if I go to gallery now, everything professionally designed. You can see even, wow, it even has, see, look at this place now. You can even sort, switch in between images. You can see, so everything is working fine. So guys, you can see what we've done now. If I have to do that from scratch, it will take me days or even weeks to achieve all these things. But with the help of AI, I was able to build this thing in my bed, not even going to the office, not even looking for a professional, not even looking for where to comfortably sit down. I'm right in my bed, and I did this project perfectly. You can see how easy it is. So follow me for more videos like this. This is the end of the project. You can see how super easy it is. You can see the page is even responsive. You can see how responsive it is. So this is what we have built. Follow me for more videos like this. I promise you, you will be able to learn so many things from this channel.